Chicken Little. One day Chicken Little strutted through the woods on her way to market. A tiny acorn fell from a tall tree and hit her on the head. "My goodness, the sky is falling," said Chicken Little. "I must rush to tell the king." Chicken Little met Henny Penny on the path. "Where are you going?" asked Henny Penny. "The sky is falling," said Chicken Little. "I'm off to tell the king." "Who told you?" asked Henny Penny. "It hit me on the head," said Chicken Little. "Let me come with you," said Henny Penny. And Chicken Little and Henny Penny hurried off to tell the king. On the way they met Ducky Lucky. "Where are you going?" asked Ducky Lucky. "The sky is falling," said Henny Penny. "We're off to tell the king." "Who told you?" asked Ducky Lucky. "Chicken Little." "Who told Chicken Little?" "It hit her on the head." "Let me come with you," said Ducky Lucky. And Chicken Little, Henny Penny, and Ducky Lucky hurried off to tell the king that the sky was falling. On the way they met Goosey Lucy. "Where are you going?" asked Goosey Lucy. "The sky is falling," said Ducky Lucky. "We're off to tell the king." "Who told you?" asked Goosey Lucy. "Henny Penny." "Who told Henny Penny?" "Chicken Little." "Who told Chicken Little?" "It hit her on the head." "Let me come with you," said Goosey Lucy. Chicken Little, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky, and Goosey Lucy hurried off to tell the king. On the way they met Turkey Lurkey. "Where are you going?" asked Turkey Lurkey. "The sky is falling," said Goosey Lucy. "We're off to tell the king." "Who told you?" asked Turkey Lurkey. "Ducky Lucky." said. "Who told Ducky Lucky?" "Henny Penny." "Who told Henny Penny?" "Chicken Little." "Who told Chicken Little?" "It hit her on the head." "Let me come with you," said Turkey Lurkey. And so Chicken Little, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy, and Turkey Lurkey hurried off down the road to tell the king the sky was falling. And on their way they met Foxy Loxy. "Where are you going?" asked Foxy Loxy. "The sky is falling. We're off to tell the king." "Let me show you the way," said Foxy Loxy. And Foxy Loxy walked with Turkey Lurkey. Foxy Loxy ate Turkey Lurkey. Foxy Loxy walked with Goosey Lucy. Foxy Loxy ate Goosey Lucy. Foxy Loxy walked with Ducky Lucky. Foxy Loxy ate Ducky Lucky. Foxy Loxy walked with Henny Penny. Foxy Loxy ate Henny Penny. Foxy Loxy walked with Chicken Little. Foxy Loxy ate Chicken Little. And then there was no one left to tell the king but Foxy Loxy himself. But Foxy Loxy was much too full to move. So the king never knew that the sky was falling. The end.